So actually what happened is not your fault. It's because the data in the CSV file, the data in the file you download from Moodle, it's not written in the international standard. It's written in the American standard, which is, by the way, called the imperial standard because it's a system still in use in all ex-British territories, including North America. In the next few slides, I will show you how to translate that format into international format. Excel, when it's not the American Excel, needs to be adapted, needs the data to be adapted. This problem did not happen in our John Cabot Office installation, so in our John Cabot Excel, because our Excel is already formatted to understand both the imperial American and the international system. But those of you who have, say, the Italian Excel at home will had met already this issue. In the next few slides, I will show you how to solve that. I'm sorry, but for a technical problem, the video and the sound here are not in sync. So follow what happens. What I do is I find and replace. Trova e sostituisci. I find in that column all the commas and I replace them with nothing so that the commas just disappear. Trovo su quella colonna le virgole e le sostituisco con nulla, scompaiono. After that, I find all the points, all the full stop, and change them into commas. Dopodiché faccio invece un'altra trova e sostituisci, tutti i punti vengono cambiati in virgole. A questo punto il formato è quello giusto. Replacing all full stops, all periods with commas, then the format can be understood also by non-American Excel. The next two slides, videos, this one and the next one, show exactly this kind of thing. Just for those of you who might be interested in why things came to be so confusing, with commas and dots replacing one another in different parts of the world, this is a short history you find on Wikipedia. Then, in the bottom right corner of the slide, you have a book which I found fascinating, I found awesome, but that's me. You might not be interested in how mathematics was actually born. It is nice to know that writing, most important thing, we made history because we wrote things. Literature, text writing was just a collateral consequence of the invention of numbers. Maths was born before writing. Anyway, hope this solves the issue. I'll try to email to each one of you these slides, but then please don't worry if this happens to you and you can't do it, okay?